Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my Dollar Tree must-haves. So don't mind the background because I am moving tomorrow. I'm filming a bunch of videos, so the next couple videos are going to have this interesting looking background, but please don't mind it. And the last videos that I'm filming today are going to be my last time filming in my beauty room. But anyways, so if you guys are interested in seeing some of my Dollar Tree essentials, super bomb, expensive looking products for only $1, then definitely please keep watching. Love you guys. So literally ever since the beginning of quarantine, Alex and I have been going on walks. We would just go into the Dollar Tree, see what they had, and I literally was sleeping on Dollar Tree for so long. I had no idea they had so many amazing products, so I want to share them with you guys. So my first essential find is their t-shirts. They have some of the best, like most comfy t-shirts ever. I already mentioned one of these in my previous video, and they carry the brand Comfort Colors. You guys, I'm obsessed. I love how this has like that distress. It's such good quality and it literally like stays cold. Like this is by far the comfiest t-shirt that I own. I wish I could get more, but it's so hard to find these. Like you have to like literally dig through their piles of t-shirts to come across the Comfort Colors. Alex and I ended up finding some on Amazon. On Amazon, we found the Comfort Colors brand and they sell them for $8. So you can't get them on Amazon if you can't find them at your local Dollar Tree. But if you can find them at your Dollar Tree, pick them up, get a bunch. They're just so comfy. I love wearing these oversized t-shirts with like biker shorts or tied up with jeans. They're just so cute and just perfect, especially for summer. I also recently got the All Style Apparel activewear t-shirt, and I got it in this really nice like mocha brown color. This one doesn't stay as cold feeling. I don't know, that's the only way I can explain it. But it doesn't stay as cold feeling as the Comfort Colors one. However, this one is super thick and it just feels like such a good quality tee. And I normally get the t-shirts in a large just so that way I can wear them like with biker shorts and it'll cover my butt. And I just like really oversized t-shirts. Alex always makes fun of me for that. I normally get like a larger size t-shirt than Alex, my husband, gets. Yeah, we're clearly not the same size. You guys, also from Dollar Tree, you guys cannot sleep on their hair accessories. They have some of the cutest hair accessories ever for obviously only $1. These I actually recently picked up and I'm so obsessed. I'm really obsessed with this like cheetah one. I just think it's so cute. Like any hairstyle you do, if you throw a cute little scrunchie like this in it, it's just gonna style it up way more. It's also super cute to wear on the wrist. And I've seen really similar scrunchies to this at other places and they're like $10. But I'm like, $10 for one scrunchie? So when I saw this at the Dollar Tree, I had to pick it up and I'm like, it's just so cute. And I also really am obsessed with this one. Like this is just so trendy. This will be so cute if you have your hair like pinned back. You can just put this in the bag. And I feel like hair accessories like this, I always see it sold for like way more, like $10, $7 or more for just one scrunchie. So definitely check out the Dollar Tree if you want some cute scrunchies, but are super affordable. Do not sleep on their cute hair clips. I have a bunch to show you guys. So the first are these gold ones. So you get both of these in a pack for $1. And I really love these for like clipping my hair back when I'm doing my makeup. They're also pretty if you just like want one statement clip. But they're just so cute. And I also am obsessed with these guys. They're like cute little gold alligator clips. And again, I use them for the same thing, clipping my hair back when doing my makeup or just like clipping on one side. But I feel like the gold detailing on these are just so pretty and trendy, and I feel like you would never think you got them from the Dollar Tree. They also recently started carrying these hair clips, and I had the same ones that I got from Amazon, but now the Dollar Tree carries them. So these actually come individually, so they're each $1, but they're just still so cute. And again, just such great like statement accessories when you want to like add something to your hair, make it pop, but you don't really feel like doing too much. These make it look like you tried, but you really didn't. So I always have a field day in their hair accessory section. So moving on to my favorite part of Dollar Tree of all time, and it is their kitchenware section. You guys, do not sleep on Dollar Tree's kitchenware. They have some of the cutest pieces. I first got hooked because on my Amazon video, I shared like the clear coffee mugs, and a lot of you guys said that Dollar Tree carried clear coffee mugs for like obviously a fraction of the cost. Now the Amazon ones that I recommend, I still really like those because those are thermal coffee mugs, so they'll actually keep your coffee hot longer. However, if you're just into the aesthetic of like clear glass coffee mugs, definitely get the ones from the Dollar Tree. They're not gonna be like thermal, they're not gonna keep your coffee like hot longer, but they're super cute. And they're right here. I love how big these are. Like they're just super big, so you can pour yourself a nice giant cup of coffee or of tea. It's like super wide. They're just so cute. So I got 2 of these. I would never think that I would get this from the Dollar Tree. They also have a bunch of like cute glass containers to store like sugar or anything that you want in them. So I recently got this one and I just think it's so cute, so pretty. I've been super into just anything like glass lately. I don't know. Very random. But yeah, it's just so cute and it's only $1. And then I have a whole like video that I recorded last time I was at Dollar Tree of all the other stuff that I wanted to get, but I didn't get because like I mentioned earlier, since Alex and I are moving, we literally just don't have space for anything. But best believe the second that I get into my own home or new house, I'm gonna be getting all of this. Ooh, so the first thing is their mason jars. Like they have the cutest mason jars. They had this like really big one with a handle. This one didn't come with a lid, but I just thought it would be so cute for like summer drinks, for iced coffee. They're just so aesthetically cute, and since they're only $1, you can get a lot of them for a good price and just have your cabinets looking super cute and aesthetic. They also had these really gorgeous mason jars that had a gold lid instead of the typical silver lid, and I thought those were so cute. You can use those for drinking or for storing food in your fridge. And they're just so cute. The gold detailing at the top was so pretty, and like, I don't know, I just wouldn't think that you'd find that at the Dollar Tree. They also had this like really big, gorgeous glass cup with like the really big, beautiful handle. I thought that this would look so pretty again for your kitchen, but you could also put like a cute flower in that. It just looks so good and expensive, but it's literally only $1. Fitting with that whole glass aesthetic, they have like a bunch of things. They also had these beautiful glass bowls. The shape was perfect, the size was perfect, and I just feel like it would look so cute with like the glass coffee mug, mason jars. They were just so cute. They look so expensive, but again, they're only $1. They also had really pretty glass plates that were like the perfect size. That again, I just felt like looked so expensive. So I'm obsessed with all of their glassware. But then when I saw their coffee mugs, they had this set of like matte black coffee mugs, and then they also had them in white. They just look so simple but so clean, and I just thought they were so cute. So the first set was like this tall matte black coffee mug, and it was like the perfect like large size, and again, they just look so expensive, but they're at the Dollar Tree. So with that set, they had like the matching black bowl that looks super nice, and they also had it in like a smaller coffee mug. They had those same items in white too. So I think for like my new home, whenever that happens, I want to get like glass, matte black, and white kitchenware. I just think these will be perfect. They also had these beautiful like crinkle cut glass cups, so it was just nice and smooth at the top and just had this beautiful little like crinkle detailing at the bottom. It looked so expensive. It looked like something that you would get at like Crate and Barrel or something, but literally at the Dollar Tree. And I think those are just beautiful. I definitely want to get those. And I also want to show you guys this, because if you do have like little kids and you don't want to use a bunch of glassware, but you want like cute plasticware or something that's not going to break easily, they also had these gorgeous marble bowls that were so pretty, and they look like they'd be glass, but they weren't. So I feel like that would be great if you have like kids or toddlers and you worry about them breaking dishes, but you still want your kitchen stuff to look super cute. So yeah, that wraps it up for all of my Dollar Tree favorites and must-haves. Guys, please don't sleep on the Dollar Tree like I was for the longest. So definitely check them out. Let me know if you have discovered any like Dollar Tree must-haves that I need to go back and keep my eyes peeled for, because I would just be so curious to know. If you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload. I love you all so much. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.